Okay, so let's talk about sequencing words. So they help explain what happened first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and lastly. They help you to explain what happened first in a conversation. So first, I had to think of an idea. Then I had to write the ideas down. Next, I had to begin recording. I had to get all the clothes set up, ready, the whiteboard clean, the camera set up. After that, I spent all day recording the videos, and finally, I needed to upload them and then process them, move them around, edit, and then submit for review. That's how I created a course. First I had to have the idea, then I had to write it all down. Next I had to get everything ready, close the whiteboard. After that I had to record. Finally I had to upload, and then I had to process them, tweak them around, add a few things here and there, and then submit for review. Makes sense? So we can use these different words to talk about things as openers when we talk about things, and the sequence in which they happened. First, second, then, afterwards, lastly, ultimately, and beyond. So in the morning I wake up and get ready to teach. Meanwhile, I have music playing in the background between every lesson, so I can turn on the volume as I get ready for the next one, as I do other things like washing. But in the evening, once all the videos are uploaded, I will then move them around, rename them, put them in categories and beyond, add the files, add the descriptions. Ultimately, I aim to have the videos, have the course, everything ready for submission, and then I click submit for review, and then done, and then I wait. And soon it will be online. How cool is that? So ultimately, very nice. And then we can use things like firstly, secondly, lastly. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, fourthly, fifthly. Not really a thing. Firstly, secondly, that's a thing. Sixthly, not really. It's then third, fourth, and fifth. Or the fourth thing, the third thing. So let's say we're talking about a list of things to do. So firstly, I need to go. Firstly, I need to buy the ticket. Very important. I need to know when I want to go. Secondly, I need to get ready. I need to pack the bags, pack the luggage. And lastly, I need to be there on time at the airport. The third thing is I need to find the gate. I need to go through security. I need to do the boarding pass and beyond. Very good. Yeah. So different openers, different words we can use to open different conversations when we talk about the sequence of things. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, first, then, next, after that, finally, and then in the morning, meanwhile, in the evening, at night, ultimately, and beyond. You could even say things like not to forget. Not to forget, I need to do this. Not to forget. Not to forget, I need to make sure the videos are ready. Not to forget, I need to clean the whiteboard after each lesson, so I can then get writing the next lesson. Makes sense. Not to forget that I have other things to do around the house. Yeah, between the lessons. Makes sense. Yeah. So it helps explain what happened first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and beyond. Because ultimately, these are a good way to make sentences. But finally, how cool is that? So next, let's keep going. How cool is that?